Hey, welcome back to Outback Tasmania, and in this quick little video, just gonna talk about chilling out the back with my little mate Charlie. Yeah, it's just great to be able to just sit back, relax, and enjoy what you have. Just sitting back, relax. It's first day of winter. Soaking it all in. Seeing the flowers still here. We had a few little wallaby adventures today as well. One big male was in here, but yeah, just chilling out the back. And let me tell you, this jacaranda tree, it has definitely grown in the last 12 months. And we purple flowers up there last year, so we're going to see how we go this year with the jacaranda. The outdoor lighting as well. We've done some outdoor lighting. We've wrapped some lights around the trunk of the tree. Stay tuned for that. Or I might just cut it in here. And we've put outdoor lighting out the back. We've got these little lights. Solar panels, different spots of the yard. Got a big one up on the fence. There's a big one right there on the fence, and that shines night light out over the backyard there. And there's a few up on their shed as well, but just a few little things. And I'd like to new subscribers to the channel, thank you for jumping on board this weekend. And we're right at the start of the journey. Got some firewood to chop up. We've been actually ready to go. Fire pit's ready to go, to be sitting out the back on this cool winter's day. Got a bit of small wood to chop up. I've got some large stumps as well to get ready. I can't see those ones there, but just chilling out the back with my little mate Charlie. Hey, Charlie, come say hi. Charlie, here. Want a treat? He knows that word. Want a treat? I'll get you a treat soon, buddy. Yeah, just chilling out the back, Outback Tasmania. Where's my little buddy? Having a stretch. Good on you, mate. And life is good. I'll just cut those lights in now, and I'll see you on the next video.